one Chinese aluminium that happened in Utese. Our deputy governor visits there, but our Okpewo went to the European country. Okpewo deputy Okpewo Senate Okpewo, the good governor of Edo State. Since I was born, after Ogbet Abusali, he is the third governor I ever see in Nigeria. It's Nigeria as a whole. The time where Abusali called, they not see Curtis. The time where Ogbet called, they not see Curtis. Where Okpewo see come, no Curtis. He is the best governor, number third governor I ever see in Edo State. I must always respect him. I must always back it up. I don't want anybody to throw mats to Dennis Deko and Deputy Okpewo. Anybody that throw mats, Ubudo Jokagbo and Ubudo, they can't believe you can't go. If not be Okpewo now, people when they threaten us will not call us. Before we talk, the same will not call us. Before we talk, the same will not call us. Now Okpewo just they drive them for us now. Okpewo they drive them for us now. So my people, wanna listen to this useless boy way. This Obazee wanna call listen to them. Obazee go ask, make you the shame your shame. Obazee, if you say you be better person, you post now you fair come out before video end. For activists, because me not be activists, me now native daughter of Bokuta Mehin, I not be presenter of Bokuta Mehin. Now you fair come at this is the way you get for your hands, you hold and wear. You for the talk to president today because of your waywardness, your stupidness. You lose it. So since you don't lose it, your time don't pass up at Obazee enter house. Enter house, so because if I come now. If not in you hear me, you know me before. Nobody say you don't know me. This time, now politics now come for you for. I not get your papa not concern me, your man not concern me. But you with your wife will not so your wife will there for SARS there. From the till wait there for SARS there. When no get tell you say you get sense. Ya gbo wife agbe. Ya can wife go take a tire to off una this time. If you know what is good for you, you don't come UK. Now government money, now you take carry your mama come, now you take carry yourself come, now you take carry your wife come. You just see enjoy your turning. Not go they pull leg for my governor leg go. I go pay you with governor man because he can't take it easy with you where. I not take it easy with you but Obazee. So my people, I know what happened. 1 week ago, I know say Chinese team. Chinese where they do aluminium. He did for Utesi. They sent me that video, but I don't want to put. You know, so do Utesi people, they're too stubborn. The time when they buy land for the Utesi people, they'll sell land for 3 people. When Uncle say they beat Utesi people, now let Dumezedo I survive Utesi. Dumezedo survive and I not help people. So all those boys, they're too wicked. I don't know them. Hungry now they beat them because they don't let their land finish. Now where they want to destroy that land, where they go to sell and where they go to sell a 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 3 by 2, where they want to fight for community in the island out to see people there. What will happen? When I not payload that way they load motor. It can't buy one person. Who tell people can't enter the company, they can't burn everything. Not be deputy governor say me the burner. Not be Okpewo say me the burner. But as deputy governor Okpewo come here, governor not there for us. He come UK. He come UK. He want to tell the investors. Anybody will get money like me, in my money now. I feel build one hotel for inside Benin now. I don't feel bigger for GROE. I'll go so I'll go where never see develop. I'll go build hotel for there. Me everywhere develop. You know say our governor can't come. As our governor not there for us Okpewo, the deputy governor can't go. He can't go where the fire for boy, can't go look at. How about they pull life for that? Wanna listen to this video, I'll play for now. How about one talk now? I say all the investors what Obazee can bring come. He just they pull life APC head now. He don't dey put life for deputy governor head. He don't put life for governor head. This useless abat. This foolish boy will not get sense. As your governor, Obazee dey, if you say you lead am well, you lead am well. I believe say today you for not be coward for the social media now today. You for not be away for the social media today about. But what I plan, make people listen before I start to beat you this afternoon. Abat, I still that day. You will see now the fight now. You will see. You will see now the fight now. You will see television now the fight now with innocent. I tell you, CC, I tell CC, I tell innocent. They say I may be bad person, so take the not go dey. The day when I even dey talk to you, say CC cause they throw parable for me, cause they insult me. Now when make me tell you sorry. Wetin make me tell you say they tell you sorry that because of say na Tony Kabaka when I dey because of how they insult you before. Now when Tony Kabaka when I because of they insult you before. Now me pour apple between me and him. He say you no go rest for the fight. Say you no go rest for the quarter. Now make me tell you say sorry that day. But this one now, this one na my deputy governor. This one na my governor where they make me dey happy. Governor wey say we will call us, nothing go happen to us, no cut this again. He say if you get money, make you call us, nothing go happen to you. That kind of governor, I know they can play with person about. Before governor come Europe now say anybody wey get money, insecurity, he go get that. No more cuttings again. For this 8 years doing one spend so. He say I see the commodity they give Dennis Zeko. Dennis Zeko they come out, he go give the Murphy or he go give me. No more cuttings again. He said everybody come as this kind of governor and anything can play with person. Iya go wan ko abato. Abati iya go wan ku ila ori emele iya go to tv so abati. Ni agwa we so iye governor na go wan ku. If you want to do other thing for social media, they do other thing. This governor wey they do well for me for Edo State so. People wey they say why not call us now. If I call us anything to me, governor go ask them say wetin make something do me. We go ask them say wetin make something do me. No more cuttings again. Don't they judge that they go for Sabini as Bemuja do as Abusali do. The time of Abusali, we dey do burial for night. The time of Bemuja, we dey do burial for night. Now since when a rugged governor come, they come. We not go. Now afternoon they come, they do burial. So this kind of governor now, but I come beg you this afternoon. I don't want to hear my deputy governor name for your mouth again. Dennis Zeko. I don't want to hear Ogbet will name for your mouth again. If you happen again, make the no say Atiti just start again. I beg mind your business. I don't say me you not do social media. I don't say me you not do social media, but Obazee. Who go fight now? May call you now. May tell you. I don't come fight for CC. I don't come fight for an amigo. I don't come fight for Oooh. Now my deputy governor, my governor, now I come for. Nobody to make pepe. I know you know what listen. I don't come fight for CC. I don't come fight for the Oooh. I don't come fight for an amigo. I don't come fight for the Murphy. Now my deputy governor of Edo State and governor Ogbet where they do better thing for my state. I beg you the name of God, make them not say that day Atiti tell us sorry for a platform. Atiti tell us sorry for a platform. Atiti tell us sorry for that platform. Now I say myself we can't tell you now. If you say one leader for your part, I go leader. I beg my great concern my governor, Governor Ogbet and Deputy Governor Dennis Zeko. I beg. Carry your road, your farm, road of your farm where they pass the go before. If you see say Ogbet farm there for here, then Dennis Zeko farm there for your deputy governor. Go do another farm for another place. I beg you. I beg you, make the no say Atiti just start. He tell her sorry that day for a platform. He tell her sorry. You know say that deputy governor. Now my governor. Ogbet na my governor. Now he take them they play. Campaign over start to, but wetin they don't do for my heart. For this matter of December they come now. Every December, you know how many people cut this they buy for inside, but you're not happy for this December. Inside this December, I believe free. Till now, nobody fear the letter to say be cut this for street for inside Benin again. Everybody they run, they go there, they hide. So you can't tell say you want to go in even though Ogbet will not do roads. Even though not do roads. my they coming, but is security na near Mujo na. If you have a sector, if you have a la moto me, even the music yo. Na agba mana loro video got back on the street. We security na power no. Oh, I jam. So about Obazee, because that day I just say tell about sorry for a platform. He tell about sorry. Atiti don't start again. Atiti don't start again. Now I say I come beg you. This one is my governor. I know say anything what you do for social media not concern me. But what it concern my governor, Governor Ogbet and Deputy Governor. You know since they not call your name. I know insult you. I may not be like that now because if we start again now. A snake you got left. Who they find snake they go the wrong. Now so it go be about Obazee. Now so it go be. Anything when I get to take fight you now, I take fight you. I not go remain any of my instruments for his house. If na your papa catch you, if na your mama catch you, if na your wife catch you, I not go leave any instrument for his house. So I don't want to be like that. Your time don't pass. Your time don't pass. Your governor not use your time well. Your governor will you support, he not use your time well. They say time wait for nobody, your time don't pass. He cannot wait for you again. So better face the track where you go face now. Better face some my people. Una hear what I can talk now. I don't come here and make people say Atiti about God platform that day. Now so this Atiti reach, Atiti now so it be. That's why I just have to call now the video when it do. I don't want to plan again. Maybe many people don't see this video waiting concern Chinese. Waiting concern Chinese. I don't want to plan. Maybe they know say Atiti don't start. You know say as a big give person respect if you give yourself respect. Now only way person don't give you respect is self-respect. Now I call the whole land. If anybody go ask all the old people mute and don't call them for this social media, if they do something they first they call them for his house, this thing I not like them. Now I say that one come claim say I not go school. Now them me come they hold them. When I call they disgrace them, when I call they beat them every day. Me without back not get quarter before when I insult them because of Tony Kabaka. Now because of Tony Kabaka now they insult that back right from day one. So now me without back, but this one now we just want try now about this my governor, my deputy governor. Now I say my contact the way I do. If I come and just the cost, I just say Atiti the cost of that side, Atiti the cost of that side. Not be platform you go that day. Now I say when I feel come talk my own. My deputy governor, my take Jesus for those states. Then we got second God for second God. Obazee, so if that's the number one God. The second Jesus for those states. Now where with the third one, deputy governor. I know they take their matter play. Iye mi akwa but Obazee, no your boy you are. Come out your hand, you go call for your head. You go call for your head up at Obazee, I'll call you your own. Come out your hand for deputy governor body. Come out your hand for Ogbet body because you go call. If you dey call, people go dey talk. You know see, I see where the 5 6 is there. I not come talk because I tell them they no hear. The time when I tell CC, you know hear. I tell innocent, you know hear. Because I know you very well. All of una waiting for this social media. I know all of una. I know the road where they pass catch una. I know the road where they follow catch una. You don't see I respect you. I don't insult you. I don't see insult anybody for your family now. About Obazee, they say waiting person to do. You go get sense. Now the best governor. Now me be illiterate wey no go school. I know they act my own. Since I grow after Ogbet. Now the third governor when I dey see we go try well like them Ogbet and I dey see so I don't need quarrel. I know you need quarrel. Now say I question one contact the way do. Man I not say the day way Tony Kabaka with Atiti quarrel. How about come platform? How about come platform? Now so this Atiti I dey do my thing with respect. So, Mokuna help me share this video. about Obazee for the good work. Even though Ogbet will not do roads, as the same security, he go put security, make everybody come dey open their business. Security dey for country now. The person put business. Just employ people wey no get work. About any person wey open hotel now, 4 people, 3 people, they will feed their family. In another person open pure water, maybe 2 persons they will feed their family. Even though Ogbet will not do roads, even though not do road, so for that security, everybody go dey waka free. Everybody waka free. I'm okay with it. So if na only that one I do for me as the one they go so about Obazee, your time don't pass. Your governor, you with your governor Obazee, una use una time, una use and useless. So let me look. This Ogbet with deputy governor now, as they use their time now, allow them to do their time. Allow them, allow them. I dey beg you. Your governor not fit stop security for those states. Now to the thief everything, the thief money. If you know the shame about Obazee, since one person can come out, he run come out for those states. You don't say go, but you will not pay. I never want to talk. I say when I come tell people, make them warn you, and make them talk to you. Because if I come, I don't want to play your video now. Because who not here for me and just say Atiti don't start to. Now so this Atiti be Atiti no girlfriend o. Now I say when you first come now. Now I say when I first come now. Cause wait me with Tony Kabaka the call it that day. Ask me with you. Now because of Tony Kabaka now they insult you, they insult your mama, they insult everybody. But you see coming for my platform. I all look at that respect is that they suffer the gear to you. But my deputy governor now not fit dey, or my governor Ogbet, even though Ogbet will not do road for me I dey talk am even though Ogbet will not do road, this security wey dey stop so as oyibo dey talk am, I dey contented with it. They no dey see thief again, they no dey see kidnapper again for those states. Then my people wey dey as they fit dey sleep well, they no dey complain to me again say yeah on give here, they no dey complain to me again. If I ask them now, and when I dey ask the question now, but don't even hear well ma ba bi na gumakpon Ogbet wo maybe one go me one come out one day one wear white and white one come read out type Ogbet wo. Now that one they say my people for my area gumakpon Ogbet wo ori na my tv wo to my own to they do the talk more help thank Ogbet wo now. Maybe one wear white and white one come to thank Ogbet wo very soon. So because of that one about Obazee, no Obazee, even though come up because Obazee but anywhere about Obazee is there no, but Obazee Zuwe niya no doni ina when you come away. I beg Muna every tell am make them not say Atiti don't start. The sales day they still set to here Atiti don't start again. That's why I explain that to people now because of Tony Kabaka. And I make me the insult you before. Go and scatter a house. Now make me the insult me before. But these are my governor, deputy governor. I just they beg you, come on for their body. Governor Ogbet, come on for your body. I just they beg you in the name of God because if I come me with you start now, does Atiti don't start. Atiti no girlfriend. That day when I do my video here, I see say you call me. So because of that one, I don't want you to come out now. Because anybody wey you're there for this social media, we talk to my governor, Ogbet. Even though the right people they campaign, they go. Now me with the person. We just sign our contract 8 years. Now me with our take fight for social media. The day Ogbet they come out, now that day I go rest my body. Anybody for this social media, even though now be 10 or be 5. The day when I decide, say I want to talk to my governor, that day now we said, okay, if now 6 years remain, 6 years now remain for the governor we want to do. Now that 6 years me with you take do one for this social media. If now 2 years remain, now that 2 years will take one for this social media. You know if you go tell say I don't find Atiti trouble, and you go find my governor trouble, and I be so you find me trouble. You go find my deputy governor trouble, and I be so you find me trouble. One stop because tell una down, una not say una not here. Who want share this video for me? Who want share it for me? I beg you, I beg you in the name of God. I beg everybody to share this video for me. But I not come tomorrow say we not find Atiti trouble. In your car they cause us. In your car they carry also. In your car they cost me. Now I make me come tell you now. My governor na be me. Opewo na be me. Then Izeko na be me. So I beg you in the name of God. If you don't want me to come and go to them, I don't find Atiti trouble. You know, concern me, concern Prophet Atiti. Atiti your car they cost me. That's why they tell you now. No talk to my governor. No talk to my Ogbet governor. Don't talk to my deputy governor because the work wey they do for Benin it dey sweet me. So no one bet the official dey talk say na so they not do this one. Me myself, Prophet Atiti, I say even though Ogbet will not do road, even though Ogbet will not tie road, you know, concern me. But all those bad boys wey dey kpai person, all those kidnapper thief wey just dey drive dey go, so I dey okay. My mind just dey ground. My people not they disturb me for us again. But they not they disturb me again. If not only that one, I just happy. So my people, more help me share this video. Because I be person where they respect friendship. Now when the person will not call respect friendship, now they are called the wicked. If you see all the old people where they run, they go for social media today. They not respect friendship. Now make me deal with them today. Now make me hold them bomber to bomber till today. You know, see Tony Kabaka cannot respect friendship. Tony Kabaka cannot respect friendship. Now, hold on now. I want hold on now. Wait, sweat God they come up for a nyash before I will leave Tony Kabaka. If sweat God they come up for a nyash before I will leave him. You know me now for this social media. You know how I do my thing now. So, Obazee, I don't want to play your recording. I don't want to plan. I don't want to plan. I don't want to plan. I say when I call send message to you. If I dey come again, my governor, I don't take a person play. I know take and follow person play. My deputy governor, I don't take and follow person play. For those who never know now, I say when I come they tell you now. Not be saying you all do video to my governor or deputy governor. I come and come they insult, come they beat you. You say you not do Atiti anything. So bloggers, I beg you now. This video more carry out for me, make people know. Make them know. Not be say anytime when I come out. Make people not go talk about. He not do Prophet Atiti anything. He not do Prophet Atiti anything. My governor Ogbet will not be me. The Izeko not be me. Now say I can't tell you now. So this campaign when they come for Tinubu also. Who thought to Tinubu? Now wahala carry from my hand. Who thought to deputy governor? Then Izeko now wahala carry from my hand. Who thought to governor? Opewo now wahala carry from my hand. Because since when I grow come after Busali, Ogbemuji I not see governor wey be like Opewo again. And those people now, only one I be beneath for inside Busali na Isha. This one I call Opewo na Isha. Only Ogbemuji na be beneath. Now where Opewo come out now we see another beneath we go see repair like Opewo. There is Izeko. Where Busali come out to Ogbemuji enter. Where Opewo dey come out now, Izeko go enter. So for that simple reason, now I say what I can't tell you about. So we dey come back for Tony Kabaka now. I can't send message to about because people will not know now. They say about way Atiti tell us say sorry daddy. Atiti tell us sorry daddy. Now say this Atiti be. Now I say what I can't do respective video. Now I can't respect. I not gonna fight for easy. I not gonna fight for Yego. I not gonna fight for Donosage. I not gonna fight for Edimofi. I not gonna fight for Monica. I not gonna fight for Lolo. I not gonna fight for Innocent. No insult my governor. You feel they beat all those people. You feel they insult all those people, they go. You know concern me. You know TV make they insult them, they go. You know concern me. But my governor, Opewo. Hey, Akpakomisa. No go there, Abat. Then Izeko Ejeva. Iwa will to come away now. So, my people, God bless everybody. God will bless all.